Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. Up to now we have tested the services, pipes and all those things we have tested. So we have tested this calculator service and all those things we have tested. Now it's time for us to test the components. So up to now we haven't created any components in our project. So it's time for us to create a component and we need to test the component also. So first we'll see about the isolated unit testing and all those things. So for the component also. Let's try to create a component. First we'll try to create a component. So what I will be trying to take is, so as usual, so what are the examples we are taking from all the courses, post thing. So I will try to create a component post. So here I am creating a component, something like ng generate component. I am creating a separate folder with the name components. In that components I am creating a new component post. So I am skipping the test further right now. So we'll try to create our own spec file and we'll try to do it instead of Angular CLI automatically generating the test. So we'll try to create the test file and we'll write it. So I am creating the component ng generate component post. So let's try to create it. It will take some time to create. So let it create. Yeah. So the component has been created. And if you go here, say components folder has been created. In this one a post folder is there. So this is the post component. There is no spec file here. I am trying to open this one. So let's close these all the things. So this is the post component. So what I want to do is this post component. What it will try to do is it will try to get the post. So let's try to give the post of type post. Okay. So now we'll write it all those things. So now what it will try to do is whenever this post component is initialized, it need to get the post. Okay. So it need to get the post. So this get post. So what it will try to do is, so it will call the service, HTTP service, and it will get the post. And we'll have another method, something like delete post. Okay. So delete post of type post. Okay. So we'll write the post also. So delete post, and we need to delete the post here. So this is the scenario. First we'll try to get the post. We'll try to write the functionality of how to get the post. So now I am using here the sample testing API, something like JSON placeholder. So here we are having a URL JSON placeholder post. So I will be using this one. So right now we are having the post thing, right? So here the post thing is ID, title and body. Let's try to take these things only. Now here I am creating a model. Okay, models. So models. In this models I am creating post. So post.ts file, or otherwise you can write something like post.ts file. That's it. So now here export interface post, will be having the interface, and first one will be the ID of type number. So I am creating title of type string, and last one is then body. Okay, body of type string. That's it. So let's make it as simple. So interface we are having of type post, and now let's go to the post component, and here we need to have the post. So it is of type post is equal to is equal to post. That's it. So now this should be imported from here. Post. So we have imported. Now this dot get post. So for this get post, what it need to do is it need to call the service, and from that service it need to get the post details. So let's try to create a post service for here also. So let's go to here, and I am creating the post service. So ng generate service, in the services folder I am creating a post with the name post service, and also I am skipping the test for this post service also. We will be writing the test for this post service also. So I am creating the service, post service. So let it create. So here it has created the post service, and if you go here into the services, and here you are having a post, and this is the post service. So we don't have any spec file for this one. And now we need to call the get post here. Okay. And we need to have the delete post also. Okay. So this will take the post of type post, right? That's it. Now here get post means, so we need to call the HTTP call. So in order to call the HTTP call, what we need to do here, we need to import, anywhere you can write it, not a problem. So HTTP client module. So let's import here, import HTTP client, okay, from @angular/common/HTTP. Okay. So here it will be HTTP client module. So HTTP client module. Okay. So here let's try to add it HTTP client module. So I have added it here. Now let's go to the post service. So here I am injecting HTTP service. So HTTP client. That's it. So now get post means we need to call the get request. So here we need to return this dot HTTP dot get, and this get will give you the post, array of post. Let's make it as this one. Okay. So here we need to call the JSON placeholder. So we have to click here. So that's it. So let's return this one. In the same scenario, delete post also I am trying to write it. So this is a delete. Okay. So I can remove this one. So here post slash post.id. Okay, that's it. So this is the delete post. So we are having this service is having post service, and this is injecting the HTTP client, and here get post we are calling the post service, and delete post means it is calling the delete post here. Let's go to this post component.ts. So here we are having the get post. Let's try to inject this post service, private post service of post service. Okay, now here get post. So we need to call this dot post service dot get post. So after subscribing to this one, we will get the post, and we need to add it this dot post is equal to post. That's it, right? So that's it. So get post has completed. So this is of post of type post. We will get the post. So whenever we get the delete, so whenever we will get the post here, whenever we get the delete here. So what I can do, so first we need to remove it from the post. This dot post dot filter. Okay, so p dot id not equal to post dot id. So whichever is not equal to this one, so we will take it. And next we will call this dot post service dot delete post. So now we will pass this post to this one, and here what we need to write, we need to subscribe it. Okay, so we need to subscribe it. So that's it. So what we have did, we have created a component, simple component. So I can write it here, but I am explaining to you so that you will be able to understand very easily. So now we have created a component, and we have created a post service here. So this post service injects the HTTP client library, and here we will be having two methods, get post and the delete post. So we'll add one by one, delete, adding and all those things also. So for the first time, so we are having get post and the delete post, and here in the post.component.ts we are having, so we are, whenever the component is instantiated, so on ng on init we are calling get post. So in this get post we are having this dot post service dot get post. Whenever subscribe, so we are calling the post thing, and here delete post is there. So on delete, so we are filtering out, we are removing that so deleted post ID, we need to remove it from the post, and then after we are passing that we are passing to the post service to call to the HTTP also. So this is the component thing. So this is the overview of the components what we have written. So right now we need to write the test cases for this component also. So this is the for service also, we'll try to write the test cases. First we will try to implement test cases for this component. Hope you understood about this component implementation and all the things. In the next video we will try to write the test cases. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.